guys, okay, so today we are going to design this simple flyer. So if today is your first time on Keja Graphic, consider subscribing. Now let's go. So first we have to undo everything and let's reset everything to normal before we start with the design. Okay, so this is how the template will look like. Now we go to import the background, spread the background to fill the workspace or the canvas. Okay, so when you are done, you have to lock it. Then the next thing you have to do is we go and select our shape. Let's stretch the shape, position it also at one side. Then we are done with that, we need to hit the import so that we import our resources or the pictures. Okay, then when you are done selecting the first resources, you are going to use the same procedure. Go to import, select the second picture, then you do the same thing throughout. Make the picture small, bring it down, then you go the same thing, go to import the picture, make it small. That is it. Now if you can see, the picture is too big. The three have to sit well so that there will be a reasonable spacing between them. Okay, so now it is looking good. Now the next thing we have to do is also go and select the last picture. So when we go, we select the last picture. This is it. So as you select the last picture, we position it also well. That is what we do. Now we have to give it a stroke. So that is what we are doing. We go, pick the stroke, increase the stroke width, choose the stroke color. The stroke simply is a thin line around the picture. You know, when you do that, you give it a beauty. So the same thing we do, we are going to do the same thing for all the pictures. It's the same thing we are going to do for all the pictures. Permit me to forward this side. Okay, now we have come to normal now. So the next thing we need to do is put a text. So hit the text tool. As the text tool come, the new text will come by default. Delete it and write your name or your hairstyle name or the name of your company or whatever the client is. You don't necessarily have to see to mine. Okay, so that is it. As you have done that, also you enable the background, the gradient, come to and select this, hit done. But before you hit down, make sure you give it some left padding, right padding, bottom padding, and what top padding. Okay, so we will write style. Okay, so we pick our text tool again, then we are going to write style. Okay, graphic design is all about creativity. So as you are designing, make sure you are good at what you do. Think outside the box. Are we together? So here we are coming to choose font for the style. So I prefer the fork lighten. Okay, so we choose that one. You can see it has affected the style that we type at first. Now if you check here, we pick the shape, we make it small to create that nice shape over there to balance everything. If you want to position something on a canvas and your hand is having problem, just go to a position icon. It will help you to position it well. Take advantage of that. Now reposition the picture also. Now we are coming to create a contact. So follow us, we create the contact also. So we pick the color, The color is yellow. Okay, but before that, I want us to give it a radius. A radius is the round object around the shape you have created. So we give radius. We take the text tool, write contact, and then don't forget to add colon to it. Okay, so from here going, I will be quiet as I wait on you to keenly watch what I am doing. If you don't understand anything, make use of the comment section. I will attend to every question from the first to the last. Feel free and ask questions. This is Keja Graphics. If today is your first time, subscribe to the channel. Help us to grow. Thank you. Hope you're understanding everything now. But there's one thing that I need to explain, that which is almost clear. So that is it. I want to put the location there. But before that, let's put the number first. So that's the number, but you need to also do work on it. Okay, you can design a nice design just using PixelLab. So keep exploring as you connect to us or connect with us on this channel, Keja Graphics. Simply the best creators. So don't forget. I hope you understand what is going on. I hope you understand what is going on. We need to go and pick another resource again. Now this one is having a background, but this is the way to remove the background in the app. Take the eraser tool, enable it, reduce it, increase it rather, then you'll be checking the background. Now it's okay. Now then you are done. It works just like the remove dot b, remove the dot background. It works. This is Keja Graphics. If today is your first time, consider subscribing. Just doing the positioning. As a graphic designer, be creative, take practice serious, and make sure you practice serious.